told her they could write their own plays if they didn't like it.
Which one
All is Calm. The first time I had ever heard of it, oh gosh, it's probably 6 or 7 years ago. I watched it on PBS and it was beautiful. We talk about Christmas being over commercialized. All is Calm is a Christmas story at its most basic. There is no Santa or reindeers, no candy, no lights, none of that. It's a story of humanity. It's everything I want to do in theater. It's telling a story and showing us the best we can be and showing us where we fall short and hopefully teaching us a lesson. Love telling the story, taking all the cast, whether they're a flower girl in the back or the lead. I want to let every single person on that stage have a moment to shine.